Samba
time, yeah.
We have a cool little routine for you today. So this routine I'm really excited to share with you because it has quite a variety of timings and you've got to learn it because that's going to be really good for you to improve your samba dynamics. If you have never done samba before or you're relatively new to samba, stay right here with us. We're going to show this routine to you step by step, and these are really just basic figures. A good way to improve quickly is to do something that's a little bit more challenging for you, because then you force yourself to really learn quickly, so that when you come back to the more basic steps, you're like, haha, I got this.
No problem.
No problem.
Easy peasy. Let's samba it up.
All right.
Footwork. All right, let's go super slow motion. The weight's gonna start off on the left foot. Step side on the right, cross the left foot, side on the right, and then tap the left foot, no weight there. Go side left, cross the right foot, side left, and then tap the right foot. We're gonna do that again. So we got side right, cross left, side right, tap left, side left, cross right, side left, but there's no tap on this one. Now we have 4 voltas. Right foot's gonna cross. Now go side with the left foot. Now cross the right foot again. Side left, cross right, one more, side left, and then cross the right foot. We're doing that back the other direction. Left foot goes across. Now we go side right, then cross that left foot. Side right, cross the left, side right, and then cross the left. Now we're gonna do a stationary samba walk. Close the right foot, back with the left, ball change with that left foot, and then slide that right foot. Now we're done. This is the hardest step in the routine. It's a volta amalgamation basically. So you're gonna go side left, side right, and you're gonna come under left, and then cross that right foot into a volta position. Now we do another stationary samba walk on the other side. Close your left foot, back ball change right, and now we're on that left foot again. That same volta amalgamation, so it's gonna be right to the side, side left, under your body with that right foot, and then cross that left foot, and we're done. We're ready to go back to the very beginning. Okay, we're gonna pick up our speed just a little bit. We're starting with the weight on the left foot, and we're gonna go side right, cross left, side right, tap that left foot. Side left, cross the right, side left, tap the right. And we have side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, and then just side. We're ready for those voltas. Cross that right foot. And then side cross, and one more side cross. And then we go the other direction, cross that left foot, side with the right, cross the left. Side cross, and side cross. Now we have our stationary samba walk. Close the right foot, back ball change. Now it's gonna be side left, side right, under left, cross that right foot. Stationary samba walk on the side. Close, ball change, and you got side right, side left, under right, cross left. Hey, we did it 2 times. We're gonna pick up that speed. We gotta push ourselves so we're ready for that music. Let's try it again. Here we go. Left foot has the weight, and side, cross, side, tap. Side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, left, and volta. Right, a right, a right, other way, left, a left, a left, and stationary. Close, ball change, and we have side, side, under, cross. Close, ball change, side, side, under, cross. We did it! Yeah! Timing. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, no end. Then we get 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, other way, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. It's gonna be 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. A lot of uhs in there. So just make those like a little hiccup. We'll talk about that. Okay, a variety of different timings. Generally, when you're thinking samba, you're thinking quarter beats And the best way to think about that is as if you sort of just, as fast as you step onto it, you just, yep, get off of it. And then we have half beats. 1 and 2, a little smoother. Let's make sure we got ourselves mirrored up. This will be your right side. Now, I know you're thinking mirrors are hard. You're not used to doing that, but if you only learn from the back, you're gonna be missing so much detail about what's going on with how you use your front of your body. So get comfortable being in a mirror image. It's really important. So we're starting off half, 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 half. Okay, so your timing isn't just normal. It's just like consistent syncopations. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now the timing changes to regular volta timing, which is that quarter beat. So we get 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So just make that front step last a while. 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Now we're changing the timing again because it's going to be just a full 1, a 2. And now again another timing change. So it's a little surprising. That's what we want. A 3, a 4. And back to the original 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. We got our timings with the music.
Favorite dance?
It is my favorite. I like that samba because it's fun. I'm Tytus, and this is LiWen's leg. If you want to get your hands on the top 10 steps in samba, go right there.
Yes, and also join us for our interactive live Zoom classes where you get to dance with us.
And it's time to subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram, dance_insanity. You can see it right here.
Tytus and LiWen from DanceInsanity. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.